Hey everyone, it's Tyler with Modern AC Products and the Dauber Stopper. I'm here with the home care team, and today, since fall's hit us really quickly actually, I want to talk about a little bit of gutter maintenance and roof maintenance. The roof is your first line of defense in keeping water out of the home. And your gutters, they protect the foundation of your home from getting stacked up with water and debris and rotting away that wood on your beautiful back porch that you're going to spend a lot of time on with this wonderful weather. So one thing I want to tell you is make sure that you're getting up here to check this. Now, if you don't have a ladder and you don't want to get on there's a lot of companies like ABC Home and Commercial that'll come by and clean these things out for you. But if you're not going to use them, go ahead and know what you're looking for. You want to make sure you get up here and check the texture of your shingles. Make sure there's still some shingle left on it. If you didn't know, these do need to be replaced every 20 years. So that's what the home recommends. Now, also along with that, you have to be careful that this grout doesn't get in here and mix with that mud and mix with the debris to keep stuff out. Now, a lot like us, we focus on the Dauber Stopper and keeping water out of the home, correct? Well, there's a lot of cool products out there like gutter guards, for instance. Same concept as our product. You can get these almost anywhere. Just lays over the top, and what it does is keeps the big debris out but lets the water filtrate through like it's supposed to. Similar to our product, and that's what we focus on here at the home care team. It's keeping water out of the home. Okay, now that I've given you a little bit of explanation on what we're doing here, I'm actually gonna take care of that job. I'm gonna go ahead and get up here and clean off all these gutters. If you can see on the roof, a lot of debris up there. I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out so we can ensure that this home is protected. For more tips, follow us at the home care page. Signing out, Tyler with Modern AC Products.